Okay, now let's start again. So once again, we are back. We have Elijah here, about whom we were talking in to Elijah just now. So Elijah आपके सामने है. Elijah बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं था. Elijah was very short. नहीं. During after lockdown, when I saw him, I thought that he's some other guy. Music. Maybe Jotham has gone a little bit shorter during lockdown. So it was Elijah. So welcome Elijah once again. And Elijah, I want to ask you the same things that I asked Jotham. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन आपने क्या किया कि आप इतने हैवी हो गए हैं? नहीं. मस्त जोक मारा रे. ये हंस रे हलकट हंस.
मैंने बहुत सारा खाना खाया था.
बहुत सारा खाना खाया था. कितना सारा? मे भी इतना. इतना सारा. तो इतना सारा एक साथ खाया कि थोड़ा थोड़ा करके खाया? मस्त जोक मारा रे. कितना थोड़ा? इतना इतना एक वक्त में. सो ड्यूरिंग 3 times ऑफ मील इतना 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 फिर इतना. सो विद इन 1 day you ate this much.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
Very good. And what did you do? ऐसा क्या किया? Did you do any exercises like Jotham did? मस्त जोक मारा रे.
मैंने इतने सारे एक्सरसाइज की थी.
नहीं. जैसे कि कौन सी वाली?
ट्रेडमिल में भागता था.
ट्रेडमिल पे भागना. रनिंग एट ट्रेडमिल. ओके. 1.
और चलता था.
कहाँ पे? It was lockdown.
Yes.
In your drawing room only?
नहीं, वो घर में चलता था.
In the whole house. Okay, then third one.
और उछलता था.
Jumping. Okay.
और
one more.
सो जाता था.
So that's the best part he did. सो जाता था. So sona was the best thing ना during lockdown? नहीं. Okay, very good. So did you spend some time studying also? कुछ पढ़ा आपने? नहीं.
बहुत सारा.
क्या पढ़ा?
साइंस का पढ़ा.
साइंस पढ़ा और मैथ्स इंग्लिश. What? उर्दू.
चीटिंग करता है तू. चीटिंग करता है तू.
And maths is your most favorite subject, I guess. नहीं. Very good. Okay, Elijah, let me put some general knowledge question. You had studied about science. You studied history, like social studies. This is no. नहीं. So can you tell me about how many province of Pakistan is there?
4.
4 province. That's a great answer. That's absolutely right. नहीं. And one more is added. Okay.
Yes.
There are 5 right now. So can you tell me about the crops of Pakistan? What are the most grown crops in Pakistan we have? Sugarcane. Cotton. Sugarcane is there. Cotton. Then
rice.
Very good. So these are 3: sugarcane, cotton and rice and wheat also. So these are the most grown crops of Pakistan. You know the provinces of Pakistan. Very good. So that's right. So tell me another thing. That's a question. That's a tricky question, or maybe it's not tricky at all. The most famous person of Pakistan whose name is similar to one of your family member.
Imran Khan.
So who is Imran in your family?
Papa ji.
Papa ji, that's right. So good answer, clever. Look how clever he is. नहीं. So great. So another question about science. Should I?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many bones does a human body has?
300.
जिंदगी सवार दो, एक नई बहार दो, दुनिया ही बदल दो, मैं तो प्यारा सा।
What? Think again.
200.
Think again.
285.
Think again.
385.
Think one more time.
485.
Nice question. All the answers are wrong, Elijah. You might have 300 bonds because we know that you work a lot, you do a lot of exercise, you know. Such a hard working person. So one more exercise you had told me that you used to do, hanging exercise
Yes.
to get taller. So how long did you hung with that rod?
Sir, 2 minutes.
चीटिंग करता है तू चीटिंग करता है तू
2 minutes. So how many seconds in 1 minute?
60.
So 60 and 60?
120.
So 120 seconds you spend hanging up to one of the rod that you placed upstairs at your terrace, right? Very good, Elijah. You did very good in this interview and all. Thank you very much. Good luck. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Eat well and sleep well. Good. Bye. Take care. Thank you. Say thank you everyone.
आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, लाइक कर दीजिएगा, शेयर कर दीजिएगा।
And Elijah की bonds वाला आंसर भी याद रखिएगा.
बाय बाय।
Bye.
खत्म। बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।
चले एक काम कर, 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह।